I get a feeling it's going to be a riot.
I don't read the newspapers because they all have ugly prints.
Check me out.
At the starting of the week, I tell it talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's sword and gun day. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late. Could be sitting, taking lunch. The news will hit you like a punch. It's only Tuesday.
What time is it?
Never thought we'd go to war. After all the things we saw, April Fool's Day.
What time is it?
Tomorrow never comes until it's too late. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late.
Tomorrow is another day. Today is another fall. Tomorrow is another day. Today is another fall. Tomorrow is another day. Today is another fall. Tomorrow is another day. Today is another escalation, devastation, generation, separation, situation, dissipation, shot. Another shot, let's end the vessel